Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Okay guys, let's go. So as you can see, I'm taking 4 of these chair covers. They are the Santa hat covers that you put on the back of the chairs. I am taking those and I am going to be making pillows out of them. So what I have is a pillow that I am no longer using, and I am just pulling the cotton out of it, just ripping it, like rip it. And now I am just stuffing my first pillow with the cotton. Now I am being aware that I only have this one pillow, and so I will not be stuffing this with as much cotton as I would want to. I do want to get through this project so you guys can see what it looked like, but feel free to add as much cotton to yours if you decide to recreate this project as you want. The more the fluffier. That's the way I see it. And so now I am just getting ready to seal it. This is a no sew project. This is strictly me using hot glue to seal the ends of this Santa hat / pillow. I will do it for the entire bottom. And trust me guys, if you're worried about this staying long term, it will stay if you take care of it. I have some that I made about 2 years ago and they still standing. And trust me, they've been through inclement weather because I did put them outside on my front porch. And yes, I do have a covered porch, but hey, they made it through the weather. Because that particular year we had sleet, rain, and everything else. So yes, it can stick and it'll work. So anyway, you see me just adding glue and just making sure that I thin this out. And now that's pillow number 1 that's down. And as you can see, I just tossed it to the back of my workspace. And now I'm ready to do the second pillow. And this time I am just going to go ahead and pre-seal one corner of this pillow, and then I will be adding the cotton on the inside. I know a lot of creators like to do that versus waiting until you stuff it, because then it's harder to manipulate the pillow or the fabric, but either way works. I prefer the first way better, just putting everything in and then just sealing it. And I am just ripping this cotton from the pillow that I had previously used. When my pillows start to lose form, I will reuse the cotton during Christmas. So trust me, it works and it stays. You don't have to worry about it coming apart. Just make sure you seal it really well with glue. Make sure your glue gun is hot, very hot, and it will seal it even better. And again, I just have this one pillow that I'm using, so my pillows may not be as fluffy as I would want them to be, but this is just an inspirational piece to give you some ideas on how to create your own Christmas pillows. And you're going to do this for all 4 pieces. Now there is a little hiccup that happened while I was doing this. I was going to create a lumbar pillow. I had to think of the word, the lumbar pillow, out of these. And then it just didn't work out right because I didn't have enough cotton. So I had to abort that plan and go back to the original. And then I just added little patches on it. You'll see it's still cute now. It's going to be cute. And this is where I was getting ready to create the lumbar pillow. And I think I kind of removed this clip out of it, so you won't see that full process. But I am taking this crate and will put it on both ends of the hat. Again, this was going to be a lumbar pillow, and then I changed my mind after realizing I didn't have enough cotton. So I want to take this time to welcome you all to my channel. I am your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, and I like to bring you inspirational decor using affordable products. And also, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. And as you can see, I ended up gluing this all together to make it the lumbar, and then it didn't work out. So I ended up having to cut the white piece of the hat off. And now I am adding this ribbon to it. This is a pretty ribbon that I think I purchased from, I want to say it was Dollar General, but it could have been, I don't think it was a Hobby Lobby or Michael's ribbon. I don't remember, but I'm thinking it was Dollar General, guys. But anyway, it was pretty, red and white. And I am just going to add this as the border piece, as you can see here. And I will be adding it on both sides. And I am just gluing it down. And I just flipped it, and now I am getting ready to add the other piece. Yeah, this is one of my shirts that I purchased from Temu, made in the 60s. Yes, sorry, Bob. I have a birthday coming up on December 30th. I am so excited. I'm praying that God keeps me. I'm sure He will. There's much more that He has for Joy to do as I embark on a new journey in age. And now this is where you'll see me make patches out of this ribbon. And I think I'm gonna slide it down. I'm sorry that it is out of frame, but these hats are very long, longer than my table. I'm still waiting on my husband, also known as Uncle T, to create my table, crafting table for me. You see, I just slid it down for you to see, so you can see it. Once he does that, then I will have more working space. But in the interim, I'm making it do what it do. And also, I just want to encourage you all to go support my husband's channel, The Lies You Tell with Uncle T. If you want topics on religion and just everyday life, I think you will find it very insightful, and he will be very appreciative to you for subscribing to his channel. And as I've done with the other two pillows, I am just adding the cotton to it. And you can leave it, the patches just like this. I think it's cute. However, I will be accessorizing, or embellishing is probably the better word, the patches even the more. And as I've done before, I am just going to glue the edges together so that the pillow is completely sealed. And again, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. And also, I want to remind you that on Sunday, November 19th, 2023, beginning at 5 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, Felicia with BOK Media, as well as myself, will be doing a Christmas collab, and we want to encourage you to come. And I also want to encourage you to go show your support to Felicia on her channel, BOK Media, and just subscribe and help her reach her 2,000 subscriber count by the end of the year. And I will be so appreciative if you show her some love. Thank you all in advance. And now you see I'm just taking some jute twine and adding some cute little bows to the tops of these patches. This adds another layer of cuteness to it. And again, feel free that if you don't want to embellish your pillows using the patches nor the bows, you don't have to. Just make it your own. Either way, I think it'll be cute. And this is one of those things that came in my head, and I just like, I gotta get this out my head. So yeah. And as you can see, I was just using that pillow to measure how much I needed to cut off as far as the cloth on the second pillow, or the fourth pillow I should say. And I'm using again the same outline as I did with the other. And I was running out of this ribbon, so I had to cut the strips a little smaller to make it work, because again, these were really wide, and of course they would be because they fit the back of a dinette table chair. I had fun creating these, and the ironic part about this is that this same print in the ribbon matches the print that is in the gingerbread dolls that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I will show you those in an upcoming video. I'm thinking about doing a reveal of that, of my family room, once I finish decorating. I am so behind. Usually I have everything up by the second to third week of the month. I still have time. Usually it's up before Thanksgiving. So as you can see, I am still stuffing my pillow with the cotton. I can't wait till you guys see it, and I want your honest feedback. Trust me, my feelings do not hurt easily. I think it turned out cute though. And as you can see, I'm just adding more patches, and I had to cut this one smaller because I ran out of ribbon. So I was trying to replicate the first one that I did this pattern to, and it didn't work out in my favor. And then you will notice that on one pillow, I created a semi bow out of this, and it was simply because I was able to, I found a piece that I had cut that had fallen on the floor, and so I was able to use that. But yeah, guys, look at there. This is the one that's made out of the bow. As you can see, I have the bow made from the jute twine, and then that ribbon I was talking about. I don't know why it didn't come in as large as it did, but hey, it's still there. You can see it. And look at it, it's cute. And I can't wait to style this with the gingerbread that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, that just worked out perfectly. That pattern right there on those gingerbread doll stand thingies, perfect. Guys, tell me what you think. Did this not turn out cute? Again, I want to say, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about that notification bell so that YouTube will notify you when I upload things to my channel. Until then, see you this Sunday.